So my name is Marjorie Martinez, and today we're gonna do composting. So first, let me show you what are the needs for you to do a composting. So our composting today is supposed to be following the ratio 3:1. So I'm gonna show you what I have right now for me to be able to do a composting.
So I have here green leaves, and this is the soil, the garbage waste there, and this is my brown waste.
So what we're gonna do first is put the here. Then put a green leaves. Green leaves book is high in nutrients. Then we're gonna put vegetable waste book. Gonna put vegetable waste. Then chicken waste. Then another vegetable waste. Then vegetable waste. Then cover it. So that's all for today po. So I'm gonna leave it for about a month para po magamit natin siya sa composting. Bye!
After some time po, this is the result of my composting. As you can see, we have a little worms there. See, you can focus the camera. And there. Yeah. We have some microorganisms, but yeah, there.